If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, we back with another video, boy. It's your boy 302, and as you can see, I'm in a touchless wash. Like, you know, it's kind of scary. Like, I always be iffy about these certain things. Like, I hope I don't regret this one, but I be scared of like touchless washes and stuff like that. Like, but as you see, we are here. We got a good video in store for y'all today. I'm about to turn up to about 15, 16 pounds, and we're about to send Lund some logs on high boost today. And, you know, trying to see how that works out. You see what they say about it. Make sure everything is straight, because I might take somebody out this weekend. So, you know, make sure you like this video. Leave a comment on what you think about touchless washes and stuff like that. And
get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the budget now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I tell.
Shoot, so far so good right now, man. You know, everything seems like it's alright. That little thing keep going around back and forth. But yeah, so far so good. It look like we might be alright, but I'm still in the middle of the wash, so this video is my insurance, just to let y'all know, like if my car gets towed up, I'm using this video as evidence. But right now we doing good. So y'all continue watching, man. Y'all continue watching. We got a good video in store today. Didn't do so good on the drying part as I thought, but not bad. The car's clean. Like, the rims are clean, things are clean. You know, I might actually start using that touchless wash. I don't know, man. The car actually don't look bad. It came out, like I said, it's still wet, but we about to get on the highway anyway. But so far so good. Like, the car, it looked like it cleaned it up a lot. So I'm about to vacuum it out real quick, and then let's get to the fun part. All right, YouTube, let's get the boys what they want. Okay, first I gotta see what is set up right now. Let's see how much boost is on right now. So the goal is to, let me set up the GoPro right. Go to Datalogging, right one. Alright, so now the goal is to hit at least 16 pounds. So I gotta turn this up a little bit too. Turn my duty cycle up till about 65. Alright, let's say that's 65. And let's see, we're gonna see where that take us. I hope y'all can see like my boost gauge right here. If I get some space to do this shit. So, we said on 65, right? Alright, cool. Now, I gotta get some space. I don't know. I ain't gonna be able to do shit without no space. But I'm gonna see how high this gets us in boost real quick. Let's see. Watch the challenge think we racing. I'm just trying to, let's see. Whoa, no, damn. Hey, all right, we hit 15 pounds right there. So, okay, we had 15 pounds, which is like, if you don't know, that's super fast. Like, if you don't know. 15 pounds is probably somewhere around 860, 870 or something like that. Alright, let's get one more here. That was 15 last time. Let's see if we hit 15 again. Again that time. This motherfucker is a monster. If y'all don't understand, did y'all hear that shit? Like, I'm gonna see what they say about them logs right there. You know, we're trying to like get up there, so like y'all bear with me. We're trying to get up there to a certain level. I spun that time. I don't know. I don't know what happened just then. I'm gonna leave it alone and go see what they say. Just make sure we ain't got no rods knocking. That shit felt crazy. I don't hear no rod knock so far. Sound normal, I don't know. That scared me though, I ain't gonna lie. But see, this is what I mean by testing. Like, if you don't test the car, you'll never know what's going on, man. Like, how I'm supposed to run somebody on 16, 17 pounds of boost, and I don't know if the car spun just then or the clutch slipped. I don't know exactly what happened, but hopefully Lund will be able to tell me when I send them these logs so I can see a little bit. Boy, one thing about this car, when you run the turbos, like when you actually like run them and get them super high, you can hear them shits good. Like look at this shit. Like, I don't know if y'all can hear them, but they sound crazy. They loud. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Woo. All right, let's go get these logs and send them to Lund. See what they say. I'm mad I ain't really get as clean as pulls as I wanted. But, like, I'm telling you, man, it's hard really doing this. Like, it's not like the easiest thing to do, especially like back then when I ain't make as much horsepower, it was a lot easier to send logs and stuff because I didn't need as much real estate or that much space. But now I've been needing too much space and it ain't exactly that easy. Like, look at my bumper, man. It always do that. Like it's annoying. Ooh, I can smell it. I can smell hot turbos. Yeah, it's hot up under here. You can hear it popping. Let me just prop this up so it's gonna cool off for a little while I go in here and send these logs. But yeah, man, it's hot up under here. Look, both sides of the bumper coming up. Whole damn thing finna come up. But like I said, I don't like the car felt good. Like I said, that last run, I think it might have spun. I don't know. I think the tires it might have blew the tires off because that last run off the initial hit, which I thought was gonna be my best one, but off the initial hit, yeah, look at my radios, but I need some more radios soon. But yeah, off the initial hit, like it pulled hard. Like when I say hard, and it felt like it started skipping or something. And through my peripheral, I think I seen lines. I should have recorded like I did last time. Last time I ran on low boost, so it wasn't spinning like that. But this time running it on high boost, I think it really blew the tires off from the beginning. But I don't have no proof, so I don't know exactly what happened. But yeah, that was pretty good, man. That was pretty good. Got to check a couple things, make sure everything's straight. But let's get these logs sent real quick, cause you know they stopped taking them around 4. Alright, as we all know, they made this very simple. Got my N-gauge right here. Alright, you like look at my background photo on there. That's cool, right? But yeah, so basically all you're doing is plugging this in, plug it into the computer. Damn, I got the wrong thing. I gotta get a better one. Hold on. Alright, cool. Yeah, so plug this into the N-gauge. This makes it super easy. Plug this into here. As you can see, when you plug it in, the N-gauge will light up like that, like so. And come on. And what you want to do is on here. Well, y'all probably know how to do this. I don't even know why I'm giving y'all a tutorial on this. It's not really a tutorial. It's just I'm just basically sending the logs to them. You want to go. You just want to go to right there. Now it's active. That all I did was just plug it in. There's a problem. What the hell is going on with this? What you mean? Problem with it. Let me see if it's reading. It's reading right here. So go there. Want to go to logs. Like I said, Most people know how to do this already, so I don't know why I'm even showing. I got a lot of logs. Look at all these logs I got. This is the life of a twin turbo car. You got so many logs. I sent so many logs to this car. Like, look at that. That's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna do the last 3, I believe. Yeah, these last 3 are the ones I did today. So take those. I like to just save stuff to the desktop. It makes it easier for me. So I save all 3 of those to the desktop. All right, now let's go to our email. All right, as you can see, look, Lund Racing there. That's my stuff right there. Bada, 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 bada. All right, now let's see. This is the last thing I got from Dakota. He had sent me when I did a log on lower boost. See right there where it says, "Hey man, everything appears to be in order. They're concerned or something that I may not be picking up on." I love these guys. They always on it, like making sure I'm straight. But yeah, now I'm trying to send some high ones. Hopefully he said the same thing. Now let's back out of this. My logs, they're already highlighted. Take them, go back to email. Bam, lock them 3 logs in. As you can see, 3 logs. I'm finna send the Lund right now. And you know, let's see what they say back. Hopefully they say back something soon so I can keep it in the video. Me and my homies like to call it wellness checks, basically. Like we just doing the wellness check to make sure everything is good with the car. So let's send that off. And like I said, the message has been sent. So we sit back and we wait. Well yeah, man, before I start, you know, going out and racing some of the faster guys, GTRs, things like that, you know, you gotta just make sure that everything's straight, because it'll save you a lot of money if you do. If you don't, you're gonna spend a lot more money tearing up stuff. So hopefully they send something back soon. And I know the video ain't got much action in it, but just bear with me, man. We're trying to get right for y'all boys, so bear with me. And I look crazy, I know. Still sitting here waiting. You know, I sent it about 10 minutes ago, so I'm still sitting here waiting. But hopefully they tell me something about that last run. I don't know if I spent or not. Well, actually, if you go back and listen to it again, I did actually spend. You can hear it kind of in the video. Like, let me see if I can show you right now. Cause I'm editing. I'm trying to edit the video at the same time and waiting on them. So let's see. You can kind of hear it right here a little bit. Even though you've seen it in the video, but like, tell me if you can hear it. Like right when I take off. See, you can hear it right there. And like that time it hit 17, I wasn't even trying to go to 17. I don't really know, but like I said, hopefully they tell me something. So y'all keep watching, we're gonna see.
Sitting on the toilet. 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 Sitting on the toilet.
Fuck! Alright, as you can see, let me clear this up. He hit me back, so hopefully he say something good. Let's see what it says. I'm nervous. He said, right here, look. All looks to be in good order, man. Whew. I was nervous, but yeah. As you can see, everything looks good. So I'm good for this weekend. Hopefully I got something set up this weekend. Hopefully we dang, why I keep on zooming out? Hopefully that worked. As you can see, they told me that everything looks good, so we good to go, baby. And I got something set up this weekend for y'all boys. Hopefully it comes through, but I got something set up good this weekend. Hopefully we get the car out, because that was what I needed right there. Exactly what he said right there. It's exactly what I needed. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. It was a quick one. I know it wasn't a lot going on like that, but that's basically how I do my wellness checks, just to make sure the car running straight before I go do something, which I should have did before I went to Street Car Takeover, but I didn't do it. But we're not going to talk about that. If you ain't see that video, you go see that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, man. It's your boy 302. We checking up out of here, man. Y'all be easy.